In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in DevCheck and download this free app from Flare2 developer, DevCheck device and system info. When it's ready, open it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!